Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up our phones, phones.
Oh my gosh, I'm stressing out so much.
Wait, what's wrong?
The stupid biology test we have coming up.
I don't think it's gonna be that hard.
Are you kidding? Okay, like this. The similarities and differences between asexual and sexual reproduction. I mean, how am I supposed to know?
He's been talking about it all year. Okay, sexual reproduction is when
Two parents, yeah,
Yeah.
blah, 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 blah.
it's
blah.
when the sperm fertilizes the egg cell and you create an entirely
zygote.
unique. Yes.
I knew that part. Oh, and then this. Wait, but with asexual reproduction, is that like...
It's like when something clones itself. It like
Okay.
yeah.
Well, that's understandable, I guess.
Uh-huh.
Well, and also, what about this stupid meiosis, mitosis stuff?
Okay, well that's basically how it happens. In meiosis, you create the cells that are the sperm and the egg, basically.
The
that's how-
gametes.
Yes.
That's good.
And in mitosis is when cells clone themselves for growth and repair, like when you get a cut and you heal, basically.
Oh. That makes a lot more sense now. And what are the phases? I get so confused.
Okay.
Because there's prophase, and that's when crossing over happens.
Yes.
But then I always forget what's after that.
Okay. Well, crossing over is basically when genes are swapped around, so you can, you know.
Yeah.
And then after that comes metaphase, which is when all the time the chromosomes meet up in the middle of the cell.
Okay.
And then you move on to anaphase,
Mhm.
where the spindle fibers come in and start pulling the chromosomes apart from each other. And then in telophase, it finally splits into two unique cells. In mitosis, that only happens once, but in meiosis, it happens twice. But in the second time for meiosis, the chromosomes and DNA don't double. So you come up with these cells that only have half the genetic information, so they can go on to...
That makes so much more sense.
Yeah.
But how am I supposed to memorize that? Wait, prophase comes first, but then what's after that? I can never remember.
You can always remember PMAD, which is...
Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
Exactly.
Whoa, you're such a good teacher. Yeah. Okay, and then something else I really don't understand is DNA. I really don't get it. I feel like we haven't worked on it at all.
Well, it's basically just your genes. It's what it all is. Like,
Okay.
it's
I
all...
understand.
Yeah, it's in the nucleus of the cell, and it's like your genetic code. It's like the genetic blueprint.
Okay. I understand.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go home now.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, I have one more question. What about that Mendel guy in the pea plants? That was weird, huh?
It was weird. I don't really understand that. I thought Mendel was interesting. I'm gonna go research him. Wait, Ren, come look at this.
What? Oh my gosh, Susan, you are not really researching this guy, are you?
No, okay, this website says he was murdered, and then somebody pretended to be him, and everyone believed it.
Can you really trust a website?
Well, no, but I was thinking we're going to Austria soon, which is where this Gregor Mendel was buried, and we could look it up.
But that's so stupid.
It would work out, like...
Okay, I don't understand why you're so obsessed with this guy.
I don't know, I mean, it's just really interesting, and...
Fine, but you are not dragging me into this. Welcome to Austria.
Wow, this is such a nice hotel. And it's so close to that monastery where Gregor Mendel lived.
Whoa,
Oh, yeah.
this is so nice.
It is.
We're so lucky to be in Austria.
I know.
Okay, now back to that Mendel guy.
This hotel is right by the monastery where he lived. I mean, we could go check it out if you wanted.
This is Mendel's monastery.
Are you ready?
No, this is stupid.
Let's just...
Okay.
If it would open, that'd be great.
Whoa. Look, a baby. Do you think this is where Mendel is?
Maybe.
Look, a cat!
Cute. Whoa, look at that.
Dun dun dun.
Okay, now I'm good.
Are you serious?
Come on, there's something really weird in here. There's a book.
Like, fine. Ugh, this is so gross.
Look, there's a book.
What does it say?
I don't know. There's a page in it. It looks...
What is it?
It's what we've been studying in biology. This must have been Mendel's book.
That is so weird. Let's get out of here.
Okay.
Let's go back upstairs. This is freaking me out.
Okay. Wow, that was a crazy Austria trip.
I know, I'm so glad to be home. That room was so scary.
Yeah. I hope it's okay that we stole that book.
Me too, but there's a lot of interesting stuff. You're right, Mendel is pretty fascinating.
I told you. It's just so cool that he discovered all of these things about genetics just by studying pea plants.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. So, I think what this is a dihybrid cross.
Right, we learned about those in biology.
Yeah, where two genes are like linked, and
Mhm.
so you can see the probability of inheriting both of those genes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's really cool. Wow, this is really fascinating stuff.
It is. Yeah. Especially like DNA.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm so glad we finally figured out that it was, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like, this is an example of sexual reproduction.
Yeah,
Just turtles.
Because turtles will. Yes.
Yeah, and
Asexual reproduction is like aspen trees
yeah.
because they, you know, they can.
Mhm. Yeah.
I'm not explaining this right. Because they can use two trees to create a new tree,
Mhm.
but really they're mostly just one big tree.
Right.
creating new plants.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Wait, and I always forget where DNA is stored.
It's stored in the nucleus.
Oh. Okay.
Yup.
Well, that explains a lot.
Totally.
All right, I'm gonna go home now.
Okay.
See you later.
We never found out what happened to Mendel.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.